example, so in this case, we don't have t. It's an f of t, which is just a function with a different variable. But you see, I have a square root. I cannot take the square root of a negative number. Everybody agrees with that, right? So, or I'm sorry. So therefore, all the numbers underside of this radical has to be greater than or equal to 0. Has to. Can't take the square root of a negative number. So everything under here has to be greater than or equal to 0. So you can just solve for t. Add t. So therefore, 5 is greater than or equal to t. Or you could say t is less than or equal to 5. You could also subtract 5, divide by -1, and flip the sign. You get the exact same answer. So all values of t have to be less than or equal to 5. So how far less than can we go? Negative infinity. And then the highest value we can get to has to be 5. And then can we use, that can't be included. Can 5 be in the answer? Yes, because if you put 5 in for t, that's 0. That's fine. Yes, you'll need to know the difference. Yeah. Yeah. Now, the only thing I do want to tell you is, well, some people are like, well, why would it change? What about if this was in the denominator? What if I just change the answer to this? Let's just change the function real quick. If I changed it to 1 over the square root of 5 minus t, you can still put in a 5 into the you can still take the square root of 0, but can now 0 be in the denominator? No. So now that domain would look like this. Okay? So that's how a variable, that's how if it was in the denominator would change. The domain would still be the same,